The Culinary Arts Center on the Nieuw Amsterdam looks much like the show kitchens you see on television, with its overhead cameras and modern-looking set. Holland America has partnered with Food and Wine magazine to deliver the program to its guests. This is a very popular program, and Holland America does a great job of delivering diverse demonstrations and hands-on cooking classes. The Culinary Arts Center is a busy place, with presentations and cooking demonstrations each day by the onboard party planner, and host of all the cooking shows, the Nieuw Amsterdam chefs, or by guest celebrity chefs. Guests can learn to make some of their favorite dishes from Tamarind, the Pinnacle Grill, Cirque, or other Holland America restaurant. Or, they can become more educated about olive oil, tea, or local dishes, Greek baklava and hummus on our cruise. The party planner also passes along party tips at some sessions, or assists the chefs. It's all great fun, and you can take home some recipes to try at home. We were very excited to learn that the celebrity chef on our cruise was Michelle Bernstein of Miami. She didn't disappoint, and her culinary demos were well attended and very interesting.